Okay, let's build the perfect bag for Sri Lanka. The 15-kilo challenge starts right now.
So, what's the #1 mistake travelers make? Easy, packing for just one climate. You're dealing with sizzling 30-degree beaches and then chilly 10-degree mountains. Two worlds, one bag. And the catch? You've got to do it all under 15 kilos. Here's how. First up, the non-negotiables. Do not even think about packing until these are sorted. Passport, visa, insurance, and yep, that driving permit for the tuk-tuks have copies of everything. Seriously, get your visa online before you go. It's about $35 and saves a massive headache.
Okay, let's talk clothes. Building the all-climate wardrobe is absolutely key.
1 minute you're in beach mode, the next it's temple protocol. Packing smart is everything. Go for lightweight, breathable stuff. And a sarong, that's your multi-purpose hero right there. But for the Highlands like Ella, do not underestimate the cold. You need a real hoodie. Pro tip, work on an 8-day cycle for your clothes. You can always find local laundry services. And the best space-saving hack, always roll your clothes, don't fold. It is a game changer. All right, time for a category blitz. Let's hit essential tech and first aid. Go. A universal adapter is a lifesaver. And a power bank, crucial for those epic train rides. Yeah, get ready for the plug paradox. They use a mix of 3 different outlets. Don't risk it. For your medical kit, 2 things are vital: strong mosquito repellent and high-SPF sunscreen. So why this obsession with packing light? Well, it's about one word: freedom. A lighter bag means you have the mobility to just say yes to any spontaneous adventure. Okay, and finally, the one expert item that will completely change your trip for the better. What's that one thing that'll save your gear from monsoons, boat spray, you name it? It's this, a dry bag. Think of it as your personal insurance policy against water. So there you have it. Check the list, zip up your bag, and we'll see you in Colombo.